Dogecoin has been pumping like crazy recently, but there is a new meme coin that is looking to compete with Dogecoin that has been absolutely exploding, going up by 150x in the last 3 days. And this altcoin is Shiba Inu. So this coin has kind of gone under the radar for quite a long time, but recently it has been absolutely exploding. In fact, this coin named Shiba Inu has been doing insane gains. We're talking 15,000% gains in 7 days. I put about $200 into this coin about 3 days ago, and at this peak here, it was worth about $54,000. An absolutely face-melting increase in value. One of the craziest pumps I've been part of in my trading career. As you can guess, this coin is basically trying to ride the coattails of Dogecoin, which has obviously been the most successful meme coin that we have seen so far. This coin is poising itself to be a competitor with it, and with this exponential growth that Shiba Inu coins have seen, it really could go up tremendously even from here. You know, the cryptocurrency market is so insane these days that coins like these are actually pumping like mad. And if you're in the right place at the right time and you buy these coins when they are cheap, when they are worth basically nothing, as you can see here, there's so many coins in circulation of this Shiba Inu coin that you could pick them up and get billions or trillions with a small investment. Of course, I am no financial advisor. By no means should anything I say be construed as financial or investment advice, but the way I like to do things, I mentioned this in my last video talking about Dogecoin, is there's actually potential, tremendous potential in meme coins where people aren't really talking about it at a time, but if you just put a small amount of money into it, you can come back to it and it can just absolutely explode with some mind-bending gains. Meme coins really do not have any utility. This Shiba Inu coin really isn't for a use case. Like, by no means does this have any sophisticated technology. This is simply a meme coin and people are buying into it. This is the season that we're in. As you can see, this is a brand new altcoin that is looking to replace Dogecoin, and so far it has done some really respectable gains by any measure. The funny thing with Shiba Inu coins is that Vitalik Buterin is actually the owner of 50% of Shiba Inu coins. Vitalik Buterin was basically given these coins as a joke by the developer, and he is the primary whale of Shiba Inu coins. And my strategy is simple. By no means is this financial advice that you should count on, but I'm the type of guy, I like to put a little bit of investment into small, tiny low cap coins that I think has potential to go viral. It's assumed that the coin isn't going to go anywhere and the coin's value could just go to zero like that. However, like I said, if you put a tiny amount of your portfolio into coins like these meme coins that could have potential to go viral, you could see some insane gains. With this pump, this all-time high right here, my $200 of Shiba Inu coins was worth 50k plus. So even if you put money into these really niche altcoins like I do, and a lot of them mess up and go to zero, even if you get one of them right, you're making back everything you've lost. This is what I did with Dogecoin. When Dogecoin was basically worth nothing, I put some money into it when nobody was talking about it, knowing that it has meme potential and can go viral in this climate that we're in right now. We're in a really irrational market in the cryptocurrency world right now, and shit like this does happen, where you can just have a coin that is worth nothing. Like, look at this. Basically no trading volume, and then just comes from nothing to absolutely face-melting gains like this. This is what I'm doing. I'm investing a tiny amount of my portfolio into these meme coins that have a tremendous upside, and the assumption is it's going to go to nothing, but sometimes it explodes in value. And even now, this is early days. This trading volume is only 22 million. You can see by how volatile the price is that these are very early days. So when you see coins like this come around, hey, if you have a few $100 you want to put into it, but sometimes like this coin, it can absolutely explode. It's going to be very interesting to see where Shiba Inu coins go from here. I mean, it could be a new all-time high by the time this video comes out. It's definitely a potential, or it could go to nothing by tomorrow. It's so volatile, like, put it that way. It goes up by, like, in the last hour, it's been up by 50%. So this is an extremely volatile coin, and I'm not giving any financial or investment advice. I'm just saying what the numbers are. Like, these are insane potential gains that you can get with these tiny market cap coins like Shiba Inu. Or Donut is another example of a coin that has seen success with this. This is another meme coin that has seen a similar rise and growth, not as much, but 7 days, 300% plus. That is insane gains. I'm just saying, I'm just putting it out there. I'm spreading my seed across these meme coins, and if only one or two of them actually makes it big and goes parabolic like what Shiba Inu did, I'm looking pretty good. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like down below. This is Zero Waiting, signing out.